What would you do if someone was mean to you every single day? Would you be mean back, or would you do something amazing? Today, I'm going to tell you an incredible true story about Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and how he showed the world what real kindness looks like. Long, long ago in the city of Medina, Prophet Muhammad had a neighbor, but this wasn't a friendly neighbor. No, this neighbor didn't like the Prophet at all. Every single morning when the Prophet would step outside his home, do you know what he would find? Garbage. His neighbor would throw garbage right at his doorstep. Can you imagine that? But here's the amazing part. The Prophet never got angry. He never shouted. He never complained. Instead, he would quietly and peacefully clean up the garbage every single day with a smile on his face. Days turned into weeks. Weeks turned into months. And every single day the same thing happened. Garbage at the door. And every single day the Prophet cleaned it up with patience and kindness. Then one day something different happened. The Prophet stepped outside and there was no garbage. The doorstep was clean. Now you might think the Prophet would be happy, but instead he became worried. He thought, my neighbor always does this. Why didn't he do it today? Is something wrong? So the Prophet did something that might surprise you. He went to check on his neighbor. He knocked on the door and asked if everything was okay. And guess what? The neighbor was sick. He was lying in bed feeling very unwell. The Prophet didn't say, good, you deserve it for being mean to me. No way. Instead, the Prophet took care of him. He brought him food. He made sure he had water. He sat with him and kept him company. He showed him pure kindness and love. The neighbor couldn't believe it. Here was someone he had been mean to every single day, and that person was now taking care of him. His heart was so touched that tears came to his eyes. The neighbor said, you are truly a special person. I was so wrong about you. Your kindness has changed my heart. And from that day on, they became friends. So what can we learn from this beautiful story? We learn that when someone is mean to us, we should respond with kindness. We learn that patience is powerful. We learn that forgiveness can change hearts. The Prophet Muhammad showed us that being kind, even to people who are unkind to us, is the best way to live. And that's a lesson we can all use in our lives today. Remember, the next time someone is not nice to you, think about this story. Be patient. Be kind. You might just change someone's heart, just like the Prophet did. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing stories.